Hello everyone, my name is Shalina from MarineMax Lake Wylie, and today we have a really pretty 2002 Cruiser 250, and it is shown here in the matte blue with the platinum silver accent color. The interior is moonlight gray, and we'll hop aboard, take a look at some of the features. We've got stainless steel cup holders with the USBs all throughout. Plenty of storage. Wherever you see seating, you can pretty much count that there's going to be storage underneath. You've got more of the cup holders and USBs there. Ski locker for additional storage. You've got this folding table right here if you needed to prep some snacks or drinks, and that folds in and out. We've got the helm area right here, and we've got the upgraded sound. Got all your analogs, depth finder, speedometer, gas, wireless charging, comfortable captain's chair. We've got speakers. My favorite part of the boat is the adjustable sun lounger. So you can lay it like that to where you've got a layout facing forward. Turn it into a lounger facing rear, and then also you can lay it all the way down flat as well. And plenty of storage here as well. This all opens up. Cup holders. Some more storage space. You've got a little table for entertainment that you can set up front. Cooler space as well with the drain. More cup holders, USB ports. You can control your music from back here as well. And it's all powered by a 175 Mercury engine. If you guys have any questions about this boat or any others, please feel free to give us a shout. Again, my name is Shalina from MarineMax Lake Wylie, and our phone number is 803-831-2101. Thank you.